हार्ट अटैक ना आए, इससे बचाव के लिए क्या करें,
Second factor is diabetes.
ये डॉक्टर बता रहे हैं।
Optimal blood sugar fasting should be less than 100, and that by definition, if anybody has fasting blood sugar more than 110, they are stamped as diabetic.
शुगर को काबू करो, सिगरेटें ना पियो,
So
टेंशन में
diabetic
मत लो।
persons are also very much prone to. Every fifth diabetic person is going to have heart disease. So diabetic persons are they should be more careful to avoid this.
शुगर
Now,
वाले
coming
तो
back to blood
गए।
pressure. Every adult should check their blood pressure. There is a
100 से
method of
120 में
checking
आने
the blood
चाहिए।
pressure. It should be done in the morning when you are relaxed, and then it should be checked. And if it is
नीचे
more
वाला
than,
80, ऊपर वाला
120 by
120।
80, you should be careful, and treatment is to be started when it is 140 by 90. Going back to dietary strategies, how can we help it? So homemade cooks are all homemade food is always better than food from restaurants. Carbohydrates, whole grains like whole grains
मोटे
are
आटे की
preferred.
रोटी खाओ।
If you have a choice of roti and rice, roti is slightly better. For protein, you should avoid red meat. If you are vegetarian,
paneer खाओ।
would help. But you should avoid red meat. You can take white meat, that is chicken occasionally, and egg is also allowed. You can take fish on a regular basis, but that should be cooked in less of oil. Now fat, unsaturated fat should be preferred. Saturated fat is ghee. Our unsaturated fat is the sunflower oil, mustard oil. They are all unsaturated fat, and saturated fat is ghee. We should limit our saturated fat intake. Fat intake should be the need of fat should be fulfilled with the unsaturated fat. Ghee should be restricted, and trans fatty acid, that is a kind of fat that is very dangerous, which is commonly called vanaspati or dalda, that should be totally avoided. And the repeated reuse of oil, which we normally, what restaurant or hotel does, from the same oil they cook
बार बार जो तेल यूज करते हैं वो तेल जहर बन जाता है।
or anything. So that also makes that samosa or that food is very toxic. So we should totally avoid that. Now, if vegetables, fruits and nuts should be preferred for your meal. Whole grain, as I said, whole grain should be preferred in compared to the polished grain.
ड्राई फ्रूट खाना 100 ग्राम खा सकते हो दिन में।
Dairy, as far as dairy product is concerned, only low-fat dairy products should be allowed. Fish is, as I said, it can be taken liberally.
जिले के
These are
मुखिया।
the foods which should be avoided. Refined foods, food with trans fats, like the commonly the common jalebi and samosa, what we take, they are always cooked in trans fats. We should always avoid that. Processed meat should be
समोसे
avoided.
जलेबी सब ये गरीब लोग ही खा रहे हैं, आजकल अमीर लोग नहीं खा रहे।
The cold drink which is commonly served in for reception of patients, for reception of person in parties and many other places, that should be also be avoided. Now, healthy meals should looks like this. There's a roti and no paratha and no fatty thing. But what we prefer this. Actually, this is the food we prefer. This should be actually not the case.
ये जहर है सारा मोटे लोगों को।
Coming to physical activity, you should keep moving. If you are working for for some software company which requires you to sit for prolonged hours, then you should always try to move. You should always try to take some breaks. American Heart Association recommends 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity, that is cardio, per week with muscle strengthening activity for 2 days. And if you don't have time, then 75 minutes of vigorous activity along with 2 days of muscle strengthening activity is sufficient. There is a conception that bodybuilding helps. No, bodybuilding is not going to help in your cardiac protection.
प्रोग्राम ट्रेन करने का ये फायदा है, बंदा अग्रेसिव रहता है, एक्टिव रहता है और समझता है मुझे अपना ध्यान रखना चाहिए।
Actually, bodybuilding increases the risk of hypertension. So if you should do bodybuilding only after your blood pressure is controlled. Now, others lifestyle modification which can adopt is that smoking. We should completely avoid smoking, active as well passive smoking. Stress should be minimized, as I said earlier, that stress increases the stress alters the physiology of bodies like that the plaque, the cholesterol deposits, it gets ruptured, and there is superimposed clot formation which leads to AMI. So stress is an important factor which will prevent controlling stress will prevent you the heart attacks. You should be involve yourself in recreational activities like yoga. pollution is one thing which is often missed. Pollution is one of the main causes of increasing heart disease in those areas where the pollution is high. So we should try, if we should force government authorities, we should actually support all the campaigns which aims to reduce pollution. And one more thing, there is a lot of a significant percentage of population of our young population, they are working in software and they have to work as per their MNC company, parent MNC company. There's many times they have to work, many times they have to do night shifts. So our body is not made for night duties. Night duties should always be minimized. You should be doing minimal night duties. That's how you can help your heart. Now here, summarizing all these, my tips would be that you should be active, regular physical activity. You should do at least 150 minutes of cardio aerobic activity in a week. Stop smoking. Smoking is one of the main causes of heart attack. Anybody, invariably, most of the person who are less than 30 or less than 35 or less than 40, most of the times when patient comes to with heart attack, one common thing is smoking. Smoking is very common. So smoking can stop. If you stop smoking, heart attack incidence will come down drastically. Now weight, managing your weight. You should keep your weight optimum between BMI should be 18 to 23. You should check your blood pressure, control your blood pressure. Now, whenever you are feeling stress, don't leave your whatever you're doing. Take a break, go for a walk, minimize your night duties, cut saturated fat. You can the recommendation is that saturated fat should be less than 7% of calorie intake. So you should cut it. Trans fatty acid is strict no. Small changes in your diet can help you a lot. You should always skimmed milk should be preferred over the full cream milk. If you don't, people say that alcohol helps in preventing heart disease. No. If you don't drink alcohol, you need to not drink. But if you drink, you should minimize your intake. You should restrict it to less than 2 packs. And before eating any food,
दारू पीनी है कभी कभी पियो, 2 पैक मारो.
Check the food, the label. They will, by law, they have to compulsory mention that percentage of trans fatty acids. So that should be 0. So always read food label before consuming it. Thank you.
ये बताया
Thank you sir for the wonderful talk. It was really motivational to keep our healthy. चलता रहे हम सबका दिल. It's very important. Any questions from the audience?